right, I'm going to attempt to make 3 different types of curls with the curling iron based on how you roll it up. I'm going to do a really old-fashioned pipe curl look. That look is on some of the children's styles in the courses. And when you do that look, you want the hair to overlap, but work its way up the curling iron. And this is going to give you more of that tight corkscrew kind of look. Now I am using, maybe strange to some of you, this is called a Marcel iron. This is what we as professionals learned on back when I went to school. You have a spring with a, you know, where you can let go. This is loosey-goosey, so I have to hang on to it, and to get my little tippy ends in there, I gotta work it like that. So, overlapping, and this is gonna produce more of a pipe curl. Now, if you're doing a school play and the little kid is Shirley Temple, these are the curls you want. You can see a perfect pipe curl. Okay? I'm going to gather it up because I don't want it to lose its pipe curliness while it's nice and hot. And I'm going to pin it. And that's what I would suggest. And you do rows. Row, 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 row. Sectioning the rows ahead of time will make your life super easier. Yeah, easier. And keep your work neat. Now I'm going to do the, which I know a lot of you guys have those curling wands, or you want just that beachy kind of look where you hold the iron down and you twist and you wrap and you don't curl the ends. You can pull, and you can even let your spring cover, but there's space and you get more of that kind of look. And then a traditional curl is I'm going to just roll it straight up the head, and that'll give it more of a 40s kind of, more curl at the tip but waves in the closer to the crown. So this is going to be similar to a hot roller, and if you can see, I'm going straight up, and as the hair rolls on top of itself, then that means this gets fatter and fatter. So the tighter curl is on the inside, and it gets fatter and fatter. And if you didn't have hot rollers, this is the kind of curl you would do to get that hot roller look. Is straight and hair on top of hair on top of hair. So this gets fatter and fatter, and that's that kind of look. So it's tighter curls at the end, but straighter mid-shaft. And see here, you've got the wave, that's the same all around. And here, you've got a pipe curl. So pipe curl is tight with no spaces. Wave is the iron upside down, no curl on the end, and you got an even distribution of wave. And this one rolled up, you get tighter at the ends, but looser in here. Thanks for watching.